So when you're ready to create your state page from your class project site, you just go up here to this icon with the little page icon and the plus sign and click on that. It says create page. Name your page for your state. So let's say that I wanted to do a page for North Dakota. And here's a really important part where it says select a template to use. You want to select the state page template. State page template. You can leave all the rest of that the same and then just click create. And now this is my page, so I can go ahead and start editing this. You'll notice the editor is pretty similar to the editor that you see in Google Docs and other things that you've used before, but I'll show you a couple of key differences. And by the way, it's fine if you want to delete a lot of this. Make your page look really nice, make it look cool, make it look interesting. And one key thing with web design is you keep it really simple. So if you look around at some of the best web designs out there, there's not too many colors going on, there's not too many different pictures and fonts, and it's not flashing and moving and all that, but there's really strong visuals. So see if you can follow some of those examples. But here's my page name, so I can leave that the same. I can write my introduction here. If you want to delete something, you can take all that and delete it. You can see that my formatting is still bold, so I can get rid of that. I can make my font bigger if I want to. You can change your font over here. I would recommend using no more than 2 fonts. Just 1 or 2 fonts is generally the right thing to do. So I could start typing North Dakota is a great state because whatever. And then if I wanted to insert a picture of North Dakota, I'd put my cursor where I want to insert it. And first I'd find the picture. So I'd need to go over here to Google, find a picture of North Dakota. So if I want to use this image, it's going to be really important that I credit the source. But first, as far as how to get the image, when you find an image in Google Images, click View Image. View Image, and what you get then is just that image on a page, and then you can copy the URL. It should end with JPEG or something like that. That tells you that that's just an image file. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to my page. So now I've got the URL of my image, and I'm going to put my cursor where I want it, and then I'm going to click Insert Image. And I didn't download it, so I'm not going to upload it. I'm going to use the URL. And now I'm going to paste that URL in, and it should appear here. If it doesn't appear here, you need to go back and look and see. Maybe you're getting some website and not just the image, but you need to get just the image. And by clicking View Image is usually the best way to do that. So now I can say OK. And look at that. That's a little bit too big. So when I click on it, I don't get those little drag lines that I'm used to, but I can choose small, medium, or large, or original, or 100%. 100% will fill out the frame, and that's pretty good. Now I need to go back and get the source of that image and credit that, but I'm not going to show you how to do that right now. So now I've got a nice image across the top. I'm going to get rid of where it says introduction, and I just want to show you one other thing. If I want to insert anything else, you can insert lots of stuff here. You can insert from your Google Drive. So if you had a presentation, like a slideshow, you could insert that and actually make it a click-through presentation here. You can insert a YouTube video, you can insert a Google map, so there's lots of options. If you want to insert a link, so down here where it says links for more information, I could put North Dakota tourism, and then I can then search for that. So I'm going to again go into another window, search for it, and here's the official North Dakota travel site. So if I want to link to this site, I need to get that address, that URL, and then I need to highlight what I want here and then click the little chain link. So that's, and then I have to say this is a web address and paste it in there. And then it's a good idea there to say open in a new window. So I know that that's a lot of steps to remember, but the main idea is use your insert menu a lot, use these things along here a lot, and just be aware that this is going to function a little bit different from Google Docs and other tools that you've used. And make sure you click save. This does not automatically save, so you've got to save a lot or you will lose all of your work. Good luck.